This is the fourth question in assignment number 9. You have a matrix, a square matrix A, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and you have been asked to find or rather show, you have been asked to show that a square minus 4a plus 7i is equal to 0. So remember, you can only find square of matrices if your matrix itself is a square matrix. What I mean is, if you have a 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 or an n cross n matrix, only then can you find values like a square, a cube, a4 and so on, because it is only in that case that the rows of here, a square means matrix A is multiplied by matrix A. So that would mean is multiplied by remember, matrix multiplication is always in this manner. So that's 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into minus 1, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. So a square so my a square matrix is as follows. The next element that we have is that we need in our equation is 4 times a. So a scalar, by scalar I mean a number which is not a matrix. So the scalar is being multiplied to the matrix A. The rule is, if you are multiplying a scalar to the matrix, that means this value 4 in this case will be multiplied to each element of the matrix. So 4 times A will be 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, and 4 into 2, 8. So this is the element, second element of the equation, 4a. Now the third element of the equation is 7 times I. So the third element of the equation, 7 times I. So it is the scalar 7 is being multiplied by I. I is the conventional note for the identity matrix. The size of the identity matrix, since we have to add it to all the matrices, are 2 cross 2, even my identity matrix will be 2 cross 2. So a 2 cross 2 matrix, left to right principal diagonal is 1, all other terms are 0. So this is how I would write my identity matrix. The size of the identity matrix, remember, it will be determined by the size of the other matrices in the equation. So if I multiply by 7, 7, 0. This is the 7 times I matrix. So my equation that I need to check is a square minus 4a plus 7i. This is the left hand side of the equation. So let me just solve this. So I'm writing down a square minus 4a. So I'm writing minus 4a matrix is 8, 12, minus 4, 8, and I'm adding 7 times I, which is Once again, remember that both addition and subtraction in the case of matrices mean that corresponding elements are being added and subtracted. So in this case, I will need to solve 1 minus 8 plus 7 to get 0. Similarly, I will have to do 12 minus 12 plus 0 to get 0. Minus 4 minus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 0. So minus 4 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So you will again get 0. Sorry. Similarly, 1 minus 8, which gives me minus 7, plus 7, which gives me 0. So I have proved that the LHS is equal to RHS because 0, 0, 0, 0 is the matrix O, which is another term for null matrix. A null matrix is a matrix where all the elements are equal to 0.